Good morning. This is some of the equipment. We'll probably need more, but this is what I've laid out so far. Then we got the jigsaw, 2 blades remaining from yesterday's fan installation. Got some more just in case, can always return those, but better to be prepared. The tape measure, some safety gear, our drill, and then a straight edge with a level. We're gonna be putting one hole in over there for the big window. These are both CR Lawrences. And then we also have a CR Laurence bunk that's gonna go in this pristine outline right here. Stay tuned, it's gonna be fun. This was a really good idea by Fallon, taping the blanket and the towel, just so whenever we start hacking through this bad boy, metal shavings are blocked by this wall of cloth. Well, that was very scary. This guy is about 5 inches too long for this panel over here, but we got apprehensive too soon, because what we should have done is flip this thing over, and if you measure the seal, it is a perfect fit.
Thank God.
Next step, we took the bracket off the back of our window. We're laying it down and about to draw it out. So we measured, and it's literally an 1/8 of an inch difference vertically and 3/8 of an inch difference horizontally. So what we're gonna do, because we have a little forgiveness, so we're gonna put the dots here, do the drill bits through, line it up on the outside, essentially just come in a tiny bit with the drill bit. That way it is an 1/8 of an inch in.
So just watch to see our Laurence video about how to install this T-vent window for the driver's side. It's a clamp ring window, but the window itself, not the clamp ring, has to fit into the hole in the van. Once you fit the window into the hole, the clamp ring sits right on top from the inside. Literally, it clamps the van between this piece of foam and this little piece of metal. You are supposed to pre-drill holes for the clamp ring via Van Windows Direct. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pre-drill some holes, fit the window into the hole, put the clamp ring on the inside, and screw it in.
Our second window is the bunk window. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna place it on top of this, but we're gonna cut out a little square here. This right here, the clamp that holds it together, and sit down in here, we can make sure it's flush. That'll be going back here. We're gonna lay that on top, this cutout hole, that way the clamp will fit down in, and then draw out the outline. See, we just kind of put it through the bottom there. It fit completely around, so now we know that that cutout is perfect. We now have our template over here. What we're gonna do, basically put the template on the outside, trace that, and begin doing the cuts there. So Fallon did something very smart on the last one. Before doing your pilot holes on the frame, again, this window is gonna come in and then you're gonna put the frame in from the inside of the van. One way to do your pilot holes is there are already 2 in here. And if not, you can make those initial 2 at the bottom. You'll screw one in, you'll screw your other in, and from there, you do the rest.
That was a lot.
Whole lot.
But we got the 2 windows.
Woohoo! Something I heard from a contractor, everything that you do is gonna take about 3 times as long. But hopefully this video helps you guys. It's gonna be fun to look back at. We're gonna get some food because it's
Take
like—
a look at our windows!
Yeah, it's like 10 o'clock. Check them out though, real quick. We got our bunk and we got our big boy. You can see it. There it is. We did it. We did it, guys.
All right, Zach is about to do the spray test. I've put up a few pieces of paper towel at the edges. The water's not on. We're most worried about the corners over here because we slightly overcut the hole. You can see a little bit of the rubber gasket, so we're hoping for the best here.
Is it coming through?
Nothing yet. Definitely get this top corner. Get the corners really good. All right, second spray test. Really hope that we don't have anything wet. All right, I think we might have passed the spray test, which means that the rubber gasket is sufficiently— oh no, stop. It's all wet, but not where you think it would be.
It's moving day. Well, technically tomorrow.
Which means tonight is moving night.
Right. It's been a doozy. It's been a long, stressful day. We got a little bit more, but we're getting closer to living in this bad boy. Speaking of, we do have a leak there. We'll update you guys later.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife.
I read on a ProMaster forum that the reason why the bunk window doesn't work super well is because it's flat compared to the what is this?
Curvature.
The van window, or yeah, the van that curves a little bit. So that flat thing in this curved thing leads to leaks. Apparently, we'll see if our butyl tape helps.
So we used the butyl tape. We got it in. There are definitely some janky screws on the other side. We're gonna do a little bit of cleanup here, but it's tighter. The most tight we've had it. So praying to God that this one works, because if not, we're just gonna have to base one. We actually drilled our own new pilot holes in a few of these. We added pilot holes, all the gray ones you see here, added pilot holes. We added more screws, so we are hoping that and the combination of the butyl tape will hold.
All right, guys, so we had a lot of issues with our bunk window, but we really believe that if we had better tools, so a better drill and better bits, and we started off with butyl tape in the beginning, we wouldn't have had nearly the issues or the leaks that we had originally.
Additionally, guys, for the front window, make sure you already have your layout planned, because if not, you will plan your van build around that window. Also, if you've gotten any value out of this video or the videos prior, we would really appreciate a like and a subscribe. That way other people like yourself can get videos just like this. Thanks so much, and we'll see you on the next video.